Imagine earning millions of dollars from just one video. Sounds unreal, right? But for MrBeast, this is normal life. Today, we'll break down how he makes his money, where it comes from, and how he reinvests it to become even bigger. MrBeast didn't become rich overnight. He started as a normal teenager making simple videos. For years, he earned almost nothing. But instead of quitting, he studied YouTube, learned what works, and improved every single day. One of his biggest income sources is YouTube ads. With millions of views per video, he earns huge money from ads alone. Some videos make hundreds of thousands of dollars, and sometimes even more. Big companies pay MrBeast to promote their products. Because of his massive audience, one sponsor can pay him millions for a single video. These brand deals are a major part of his income. MrBeast is not just a YouTuber. He is also a businessman. He runs food brands, merchandise, and multiple channels in different languages. These businesses generate millions every month. But here's the surprising part: he doesn't keep most of the money. He spends it on bigger videos, better sets, huge prizes, and a large team. Some of his videos cost millions to produce. MrBeast also donates a lot. He helps poor families, builds houses, gives food, and supports charities. For him, money is a tool to create impact. He works almost every day. He thinks about ideas, editing, and improvement all the time. His success is not luck, it's obsession, discipline, and consistency. He plans to expand his brands, launch more products, and create even bigger projects. His journey is far from over. So this is how MrBeast makes and uses his money. If you learned something new, like this video, subscribe, and share it with friends. See you in the next one.